Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny, and in this series, we'll be focusing on how to make money with Airbnb. But before we get started, why should you even listen to me? Well, I'm not some schmuck who's giving you advice based off of how they think short-term rentals work. I've been doing Airbnb for over 2 years now. I have well over 100 5-star reviews. I'm an Airbnb superhost, and I'm also an Airbnb Plus member. So in this series, we'll have about 15 episodes that I think will be the most important when becoming an Airbnb Plus host. So in the description below, I'll highlight all 15 of those episodes, so please like and subscribe, and also comment. Let me know what you guys think. The more information I get back from you, the better I can make this channel. What's going to make this series different from anything else you've seen on YouTube so far is that I'm going to actually use my own Airbnb as an example and as a use case on how you can be successful. So I'll walk you around, I'll show you what I've done, and everything that I talk about is coming from my own experience. And since I've been doing this for quite a long time, I think I know what works now. With that being said, I think the best way to learn is by seeing how other people have done things. And since I've been doing this for quite a long time, I think you'll learn a lot. So please follow along, and I hope you enjoy it. So for step one, let's check the place out. My rental is located in beautiful and sunny San Diego, California, just a short walking distance from the Pacific Ocean and Mission Bay. Best known as the largest aquatic park of its kind in the country, and is home to the likes of SeaWorld and boasts 27 miles of shoreline. San Diego is best known for its miles of white sandy beaches, perfect weather year-round, carefree laid-back culture, Comic-Con, and amazing Mexican food. San Diego attracts over 35 million tourists annually, ranking it among the top 10 most visited cities in America year after year, making it a perfect location for a successful short-term rental. My rental is a 3-floor, 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse with over 1,200 square feet. The first floor consists of large dual master bedrooms, each with their own in-suite bathrooms and patios. The second floor includes the living room, dining room, kitchen, and half bathroom. The third and final floor is my guest's favorite part about my place, the rooftop deck. It provides 150 square feet of space to barbecue, relax, and lounge in the sun. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that overview. As I mentioned before, my place is going to be a case study for the remaining 15 episodes of this Airbnb series, so make sure to like and subscribe and follow along.